Hey guys, are you suffering from low back and leg pain and have a bad disc in your back? Maybe some instability? This new device is called Modus, which in Latin means motion, made by a company called 3Spine. We're running a new clinical trial on this device with the FDA, so you might qualify for it. It allows you to maintain motion and mobility of your spine, relieving your back and leg pain. So come in, make an appointment, and we'll see if you qualify, and you might be able to enroll in the trial.